Okay, guys, this video is very important. Okay, I want to talk about the 3D dimensional realm. Okay, this realm is an interdimensional realm. It's an actual 3D realm. Okay, we've been lied to. The realm that we are here right now is not the 3D realm. It's the 6D realm. Why are we in the 6D realm? Because so the Matrix could play tricks on us, okay? Where everything is not what they are. Things are not what they seem. So they could play deception, tricks on us, where we cannot tell what's black or white, okay? But if you are in the interdimensional realm, 3D realm, then they can't play the Matrix on you. Wherever you see, then it's going to be real. It's going to be what it is. Okay? That's why we are living in the dual reality where everything is here. But if you don't raise your frequency vibrations into that 3D vibration, then you cannot touch them. And if you don't have a special 3D glass, then you can't see it. Even though if you see it, if your physical body or goods or tools are not in the frequency 3D vibration, then you can't touch them or grab them, even though you can see them. Okay? So this is how the interdimensional secret realm works, and they hide stuff in plain sight. Okay, guys? So you guys need to understand that. Okay? In order for you to see the 3D realm, you need a special 3D glass. That's what they call 3D glass. Okay, guys? We've been lied to about our reality, life, and everything in the Matrix. Okay? So you guys know how the interdimensional beings, interdimensional realm works. Okay? So like I've been telling you, you could be sitting here and somebody could be in the interdimensional realm and rape you right here. And you know, you can't see them, you can't touch them, but they can see you and they can touch you. Because you are not in the high frequency vibration, and that's why you're not in their realm. But they coexist in our realm and their realm. Okay? They can see us, they can touch it, and we can't see them, we can't touch them. Okay, guys? But in order to go there or to see it, you need to raise your frequency vibration if you have access to the cerebral cortex brain chip. Okay, guys? Or if, you know, I can hide this in the 3D realm right here. It's right here, but it's not of this realm. It's on the other side. Aliens call it the flip side, okay? Or some, I think the Men in Black call it the flip side, but aliens call it an interdimensional realm, okay? Well, they are here, but they just not in this frequency vibration realm. Okay, they're up in the higher plane frequency, which we are in the low vibration frequency. Okay, guys? So I hope I, make that clear so you guys will understand how it works, okay? How they run human trafficking, how they hide stuff, how we have another world, or within our world, but it's on the other world. This is where the hollow earth comes into play, where an emerald bird fly into a cave, and then there's like another world there, a hollow earth. But it's not, it's here, but it's just on a different dimension, okay? Frequencies. So I hope I made that clear and everybody understand, okay, about how interdimensional, or the flip sides, or hollow earth, or whatever, okay? So today I want to talk about the big Valerian if you watch the movie Valerian and the Thousand Planet, you know, um, where the movie came out in 2017, where those two federal agents they go shopping and trying to find the converter in a desert, and but they had to have a special 3D glass to see the 3D world, okay, and where they go and retreat the converter, okay. So just like the big Fresno flea market or the Hmong New Year's at the fairground. That's the big market, like in the movie in Valerian, okay, or Cherry Auction. You know, all the swap meets. They are not just empty lot and selling old good stuff, okay. They sell a lot of exotic toys and human trafficking in plain sight, but not of this realm. It's on the other realm, okay? Sometimes they will leave their residual self-imaging here, but the real copy will raise their frequency vibration and they will be on the other side. They're here, but they're on the other side having sex. Okay, and you guys just see they're standing there and walking around shopping, but that's not what's really happening. That's not what they're really doing. It's a whole new world at the fairground, you know, cherry auction, flea markets. Okay, this is why you guys see certain spot or lot are empty in Fresno here. Why don't they build a building there? Why is this place is empty and just a land? Okay, it's not really empty. Yeah, it's empty on this 6D realm, but not on the other side. There could be a building right there, or lakes, or whatever on the other side. Okay, that's why they leave it open, or you know, and they don't put any building or sidewalks. If you walk around here in Fresno in a certain spot where they don't make a sidewalk, where it ends right there, and it's just dirt, and therefore, you know, a few hundred blocks, 300 feet, there's not a sidewalk because there is something there. That's why they are not allowed to put concretes there, okay? Because it's gonna mess up or interfere with the 3D realm, interdimensional realm. Okay, that's why if you drive around Fresno, certain corner or certain lot or area are empty where they don't build houses there, or there used to be a house and it got burned down and they never built anything on it because they're hiding something there in the 3D realm. Okay, Fresno here is full of secrecy, full of top secret, and full of tricks, deception. Things are not what they are, things are not what they seem. Okay, every door, every gate, every block is a portal, garage. Okay, every room, it's a portal. It's an interdimensional realm. They can cloak, spoof, and they hide something there from reality. Okay, guys. So I hope I clarified that enough, and you guys understand. Yeah, everything looks natural, normal, but things are not what they are. Things are not what they seem, guys. Because we got very exotic programs and very exotic technologies where we could opt into the matrix and things will look different from reality here. Okay, we can go into the interdimensional realm on the flip side, on the 3D realm. Okay, and you know, so the matrix is full of tricks, full of realms. Okay, and then we got the 28 multiverse realm. It's all here, but it's in a different channel, like a radio station. Okay, Earth here is a radio station, and each realm is like a radio station channel. Okay, where everything's here, but it's just in a different frequencies. Okay, guys. So I hope I make it clear enough for you guys to understand how shit works here. Okay, guys, and how you can go to a different realm by raising your frequencies. Okay, and your cerebral cortex brain here. You need the program. Okay, So I hope you guys understand that, and how everything is built here in Fresno is like a grid, a fortress. Each block's like fortress, and each fortress are like filled with maze, and the grid is constantly changing, shifting, moving, and it's never the same spot. Okay, you will be lost. You'll get lost. You know. So so you guys will understand why a certain spot, some house, they literally burn it down, and now it's just a vacant land. They will never put a house there or rebuild a house there, or why that place never got built with a house or a building, because they're hiding something there interdimensionally. Okay, where they could be running human trafficking, on the other side, selling drugs, or selling exotic goods, or it could be a government facility. Okay, on their flip side. Okay, so I hope I make that clear. Fresno is filled with secrecies. Okay, every building is connected to every building. Every door. If you watch the movie The Matrix, the door where you go in one door and you pop out on the other door on the other side, or on somebody else's house. Okay, the key. The key of the building that has all the keys to all the doors, all the portals in Fresno here, in every building, every garage door, every room. It's on Tulare, right there on Tulare and Chestnut. It's that one house right there by right there on Winery and Tulare. That's where the key house is at, with the key man, with the key makers. He's holding all the keys to all the doors, all the realms. Okay, I know where it's at, but I don't want to be able to take people's house. So I don't want to get in trouble or cause problem. Okay. But everything works like in the Matrix, in video games, okay? Where secrecy, top secret, tricks, whatever. Okay, guys? So, I hope you guys understand about the 3D realm, or the flip side, or the interdimensional realm. Okay, but if you watch the movie Valerian and the Thousand City Planets, came out in 2017, where they go into the big market scene and enter in the 3D realm to retrieve a converter. Okay, so you guys should understand, or if you guys watch that movie or the scene. Okay, so hopefully we learn a lot of secrecy. Okay, and know a lot of truth. Okay, guys. So feel free to throw in the comments, but use code word. Okay, I see you guys on the next video.